My name is Vuyani Ngwenya. I'm the ward councillor of Ward 50. Silapha launch fire station, Katlehong fire station. Beyilindelwe for a very long time. Esibonile namhlanje is that this is a state-of-the-art fire station. Asikaze saba nento enje fire station. I hope that izonceda abantu. But then we have always wanted fire stations abahlali baseKatlehong. We hope that now sizokhona ukuthi incede, but akuseyocima umlilo kuphela namanye ama-disasters then abakhona endaweni yokuhlala. Siyazi ukuthi we have a fire station or a facility nje that can assist the community.
Since sazi council ukuthi it's winter season, i-fire station ifike kahle, abantu bayasha, kunemililo nje eyenzakalayo kakhulu. So this fire station, because I understand ukuthi nama informal settlement la kule ward yakho on this site. So what do you think ukuthi abantu mhlawumbe ukuthi because njengoba usho ukuthi akusindawo yokucima imililo kuphela, abantu mhlawumbe yini into abazobenefita ngayo la ku fire station?
Well, it's eduzane in terms of the radius. It can cover njengoba usho ukuthi izoserve ama informal settlements. Akhona Ward 51 naDustria, akhona nase Ward 52, ikhona nase Mpilisweni. They can help each other na Thokoza fire station. So this thing is going to benefit the residents of Katlehong, and it's nice that we've launched it. See up sesingenile winter, and we know ukuthi kunemililo eminingi. We will be monitoring abasebenzi from la, but then it's going to be very helpful to the community.
And abanye abahlali bengizwa banethemba bakhala ngokuthi hayi sizothola nemisebenzi. Councillor, ngicela nje ubakhuthaza, abanye batwethu bathi thina siqashwanga ngapha because I'm from around nami. So kunabantu nje ngicula nje uba feel at ease, ubakhame down ukuthi no, it's not lento abayicabangelayo.
Well, if kuzodingeka abantu isithi indlela yayo advertise umsebenzi. I think if I want to check out my website of the city, but check out my vacancies akhona, then uzobasiza kakhulu. But obviously as a councillor stash, i-city nendlela yayo yokurecruiter abasebenzi. So they can check their website and check other things ezilapho and then apply if they have vacancies.
And we mentioned ukuthi bekunabantu bebaqashiwe, ngicela nje ungiphe leya number correctly abantu makwakhiwa ukuthi locally nama companies nje the numbers mhlawumbe.
Yeah. Abantu abayibasebenza from the community, they are around 55. Opportunities like 55 job opportunities, like 55, and then small and medium companies, SMMEs. It's about 10. So it's a very good number, looking at the project, looking at how big the project is. So yoke number leyo sinayo of the people aba recruiter bazosebenza bancedise kwakheni fire station.
And I understand ukuthi i fire station iqale. Sawubona mamzo?
Siyabona mabuti.
Kunjani?
Yaphila njani wena?
Ngiyaphila mama. Ngicela mama uthi ukuthi ungumama ubani and uhlala khona mama?
Mina nguLindiwe kaMkwayi, ngihlala la eMhlongo kula ndawo kuthiwa kuse9. Ndizelana ngoba ngithole kwi-group chat ye-hospital ukuthi kuyalontshwa la yesterday. Ngabe ngibuza ke ukuthi kulonto ikuphi le ndawo kwathiwa ingase-DH. That is why ngizile i-intention yami ukuthi ngizoyibona and ngithola ukuthi izawusebenza kanjani nokuthi na i-process yayo before ukuthi kulontshwe. Where did the process start? So that singumphakathi waseKatlehong siya-participate. Khona manje kuthiwe masiyi-protecte indawo yethu. I-protecte kanjani into ongayaziyo. And as long as kungekho abantu balana nabantwana bala eKatlehong, uthi babe ne-employed la, bantwana balapha eKatlehong. Further than that, mina I would want to know ukuthi na banazo na i-teams. How do they make your awareness the community? Banazo na i-teams within the community zokusebenzisana nabo ne-disaster management team. Because the teams, they will be in the township and they will be able to assist wherever kuthiwa kune disaster or kunani, because they will be trained. Mhlawumbe kuyawuthiwa khoma. But oku-important ukuthi na i-community yaseKatlehongo i-involved kanjani, iye yaba involved kanjani ukuze sizofikelela la kulontshwa khona. So ukulontshwa simamele bona lapha yakukhuluma bona, and thina we have never been given i-opportunity yokuthi masicontribute singumphakathi. Ngizwile bekhuluma lana kusithiwa iskaskill abantwana abatrained abatholakala eKatlehongo bangangabe it's impossible ukuthi abantu aba-in-trade kwi-disaster okanye aba-trade kwi-firefighting abakho eKatlehongo. It is not correct. Simvile kumeya lapha yekhuluma esithi kuthathwe abantwana eHlahazi ebebe kwi-station saseHlahazi, abanye bathathwe bebe kwi-station saseThokoza. But are we sure ukuthi kuthathwe abantwana na abebe kwezo station? How do we know ukuthi kuthathwe abantwana bebe already ababesebenza before and then baba unemployed for reasons that today kukhona lesi station? Yes, ma'am. That is my concern. How do we know the process where iqale khona yazofika la ukuthi kwenzeke izinto ezi-right and kwenzeke izinto ezawuthi i-community ithi we contributed, we are proud of this center because we contributed. We do not know that. Thank you, Baba.
Ngiyabonga.